Weight controlling machine. Biforce Technology weight controlling machine provides automatic measurement of ready battery weight. Weighing is carried out by means of an independent load-carrying platform equipped with strain gauges. Weight control is carried out without significant stops at the finishing line. The machine is equipped with a motorized conveyor. The platform for weight control is an automatic roller conveyor and is a continuation of the conveyor belt. The conveyor is additionally equipped with a rejection station and a collector for accumulator batteries with deviations in weight greater or less than the established rate. The machine can be used as a standalone installation or as part of the finishing line. Control. Automation of technological processes is carried out by Siemens plc. The machine is equipped with a Siemens built-in touchscreen, allowing you to enter the necessary parameters and control the weighing process. Advantages. Weight controlling machine is an independent arbiter, protecting the interests of the producer and the consumer. This machine, in addition to monitoring the set parameters, also helps to identify the causes of weight mismatch. Overweight caused by an excess of active mass or an extra plate means an increase in the cost price and a loss of profit. On the other hand, the lack of active mass on the plates of the battery or the lack of a plate in the element adversely affect the technical characteristics of the battery and therefore violates the interests of end users. Use of Biforce Technology weight controlling machine will allow timely intervention in the production process to eliminate deviations.